We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words and some of the most mispronounced ones that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say these? The one at the top is said as can. Can, as in yes we can. Now the one at the bottom is said as can't. Can't. Can versus can't. Can, can't. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.